All right, everybody, this particular spreadsheet is called timesheets, and in this one you're going to learn how to insert cell shading and borders, wrap cell text, format numbers to display currency, and insert cell commands. So this assignment is on Canvas. It's called timesheets. I've already opened them up, so here is the instructions. Here's what it's going to look like when you're finished, and here is the spreadsheet, the way it looks before you do anything. All right, so I'm going to open up timesheets. We're going to select the range A1 to H1, merge and center. A1 to H1, merge and center. We're going to do the same thing for A3, merge and center. And then we're going to select A1 to H3 and add a red fill color bold. Change the font size to 16 and the font color to white. So A1 to H3. All right. And we are going to have a red fill color with bold, and a red fill color. That's this one with the bucket. So you know, if you can do whatever you want. You can make it whatever color you want. And then we also need to have the font size 16 and the font color to white. So we're going to change the font size to 16, and then we're going to change the font color to white, and that's this one here, and we're going to change that to white so that it looks like that. Okay, and now we're going to select the range A6 to H6 and change the font size to 12, bold, italics, and center. A6 to H6, or A6 to H13, and we're going to change the font size to 12, bold, italics, and center, and wrap text. So 12, bold, italics, centered, okay, and we're going to format and wrap text. Oh, where's wrap text? We're going to wrap the text, and that is where is it? I probably wrote it here. Okay, so right-click, format cells. Okay, so we go here, right-click, format cells, and then we're going to wrap the text. So, and that is here. There it is, wrap text. So right click, format cells, alignment, wrap text. All right. Gosh. Okay. Now we're going to select range B7 to B13 and format as numbers displaying 2 decimal places. So B7 to B13, that's all the numbers. B7, maybe it's supposed to be B7 to B13. So it's just these ones. And we want that to go to, you can increase decimal by 1. And then we're going to select the range F7 to H13 and click the comma style. F7 to H13. F7 to H13. And just the commas is this comma style button right here. Okay. And we're going to click in cell H7 and click auto sum. And we want F7 to G7, so the formula indicates we're adding F7 to G7. So we want to add F7 to G7. So we're going to go here, and we're going to go to auto sum, and we want sum, and we want to change this so that it's F7 to G7. See how I did that? You can either do it that way or type it in there, whatever you like. Okay? And then, okay, we're going to click on H14, click the auto sum button. Let's see what it says. I'm going fast here. Okay, we need to autofill. So go here, double click, autofill. And then we're going to go to H14 and we're going to probably add it, probably. Let's see. H14, auto sum to add H7 to H13. And that looks right. So there we go. Now we probably want that to be bold. We'll just go ahead and make it bold. All right, and let's see. Okay, in cell H14, click the currency style. So H14, we want currency. That's this button right there to make that currency. And select the range C7 to E13 and center the selected text. C7 to H13, and we want to center it. It's already centered. C7 to E13 and center the selected text. C7 to E13, it's already centered. Unless I missed something here, let's see. Select the range C7 to E13 and center the selected text. Click in cell G14 and type total payroll. So G14, and we're going to type in total payroll. And you might as well just bold that and italicize it. Why not? Okay. All right. And then let's see. Okay, select the range G14 to H14, red fill color, bold, italics, and white font. So G14 to H14. And we want that to, again, be a red fill. We want white text. And we want the font size to be 16, I guess, 12. I'll make it 12. That looks right. Okay, so what we also need is we need for this total payroll to be wrapped as well. So let's go up here or rather let's right click and let's format cells. And let's wrap the text. Okay. All right. Select A6 through H13. Apply an outline and inside preset border. Okay. So A6 to H13. A6 to H13. And we want to apply, the borders are right here. And we want to apply an outside border. And we want to apply an inside preset border. So, let's see. Maybe we want all borders. Let's see what our example looks like. Yeah. We want inside preset border. So okay. And then we're going to do Click on the border button, drop down menu, choose more borders, and choose outline and inside preset borders. Okay, so let's try this. So we're gonna go ahead and highlight that, and we're gonna go to borders and more borders, and then here we can choose outline and inside border, and click OK. So it's kind of the same thing as all borders. All right. And okay, so then, all right, so we're gonna click on D6 and insert a comment, which is it should say overtime paid at 1.5 times hourly rate. Okay, so okay, you don't have to worry about the name. So we're gonna click on D6, and we're gonna go to review, and we're gonna go to new comment, and we're gonna put in overtime paid at 1.5 times. Overtime paid at 1.5 times hourly rate. Okay. And okay, then that's it. So then we're going to change the page setup to horizontal and vertical. Change the orientation to landscape. Under scaling, adjust the worksheet to 90% of its normal size. Print scaling, custom scaling, so that's the only difference. So we go here, we go to File and Print, and instead of, so when we go to scaling, if we choose custom scaling, and then we'll adjust to 90% and click OK. And then change the orientation to landscape. And that's it.